morning everyone. I hope you had a fantastic weekend making beats on your drums and making up new rhythms. I'm so excited for the week ahead. We have a new letter sound. We have Art Day where we'll be celebrating Cinco de Mayo. Talk to you more about that later. We will be doing a science experiment. We'll have gardening and we'll have more music, and we might even have a special guest this week. So keep an ear out for that one. Just before we get started, mummies and daddies, if you have been watching and your family are watching and enjoying this and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. It shows me that you're enjoying this and it gives me the incentive to keep making them for you. So please, please, please go ahead and subscribe and share it with your friends. I know this could help out a lot of people in this time where we're all kind of stuck indoors and not sure what to do with our young families. And even at a time, if you could do with 20 minutes, just so you could get a bit of work done without everyone being under your feet. I know what that feels like. So let's get ready, let's welcome in the day together and get started on our new letter sound this week. Ready? The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our spaces with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. What's your name? Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? What day is it today? If yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow will be Tuesday, it means today is, yes, today is Monday. Today is Monday, then you help me please. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is Monday, May 4th. Hoy es el lunes, el 4 de mayo. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? It is lovely and sunny here today. So I'm going to sing about the sun. But what's the weather like with you? Well, you sing about your weather and I'll sing about my weather and then we'll come together at the end. Does that sound good? Let's go. I know a day just like today and sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. I love how we met at the end together there. So today is Monday. We're introducing a new letter sound of the week. I wonder what it could be this week. There's no real big clues to it. It's kind of, I guess it's going to seem like a random one at first until we start doing the rest of the things for the week. Our letter sound this week is F. F. This is the letter and the sound is F. Would you like to trace with me? Fox. Yes. Let's read a story all about little F and all of the things that he puts in his sound box. I can't wait to see what he collects. Oh, it's actually not he, it's she today. Little F is a girl today. Let's have a look and see what she puts in her box. Little F had a box. I will find things that begin with my F sound, she said, and I will put them in my sound box. Little F found a fishing rod. Do you like to go fishing? Catch this. She caught 4 fish. Did she put the fishing rod and the 4 fish in her box? She did. Then she caught 5 fat frogs. Did she put the 5 fat frogs into the box with the fishing rod and the 4 fish? She did. Of course she did. Little F walked through a forest of fir trees. She put a fir tree into her box. I will leave the other fir trees in the forest, she said. Wow, she must have a really big box. Suddenly, she saw a fox. It was a funny fox. I will put this funny fox into my box, said Little F. What funny things I have in my box. I have a fishing rod, 4 fish, 5 frogs, a fir tree, and a fox. Little F came to a fence. She climbed over the fence and saw, I wonder what she saw. A field of flowers. She filled her box with flowers. I love flowers. Then Little F saw a farmhouse. The farmer ran from the farmhouse. Fire, he cried. The farmhouse is on fire. Help! Oh no. Fire, fire, called Little F. She ran back through the field of flowers, over the fence, through the fir forest, and all the way to the... Where did she go? The fire station. Fire, 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 she shouted. The farmhouse is on fire. She rang the fire alarm. Ding, 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 ding. 5 firefighters jumped on a fire engine. Little F wanted to help. They gave Little F a fire hose, firefighter's hat and boots, and a firefighter's coat. The fire engine went fast. out the fire. Thank you, said the farmer. Thank Little, said the 5 firefighters. She is our friend. Then the firefighters took Little and her box back to the fire station. They put out the fire. Little opened her box and took out the funny fox. She played with all of her things. My, what fun. There were so many sounds in that book. Let's see if we have some similar ones in here. I don't think I could fit a fir tree or a firefighter in my box, but let's see what we do have. Abre tierra, abre tierra, abre la cajita. Abre tierra, abre tierra, ¿qué hay en la cajita? ¿Qué hay en la cajita? What is in the little box? Ooh, there is something sticking up here. It is a feather. Feather. Oh, I think you saw that one. A little sneak peek there. Flower. I think Little had a flower in her box too. Oh, Ribbit. Ribbit. What did she have? 5 fat frogs. I have 1 frog. 1 frog. Wow. I also have a fish. A fish. I just realized you can probably hear my fish tank in the background. I have a beautiful fish tank in this room. I'll put a picture of it on our Facebook group if you would like to see that one day. Now this could be different depending on where you're living, but in America, this is a football. This is a football. Now in the UK, we would probably call this a rugby ball. So it doesn't begin with a f sound, but if you live in America, this is an American football. Yes. And if you're in the UK, I couldn't fit a football in the box, a soccer ball in America. But that would be your football that you could put in the box. My friends, I would love to see all of the sounds when you go around your house today to see what you come up with. Maybe you can make your own box, or you could write the words down and even draw the pictures and make a little booklet of words to go with all of the other letter sounds we have learned. Now to end today, I would like to sing a little nursery rhyme, and it's a French nursery rhyme, and it's called Frère Jacques. And I think a lot of you might know what this nursery rhyme is. It begins with a sound, frère, and then we are going to translate it into English so you know what it is. The nice thing about this song is that it's said twice. So I would say Frère Jacques, and just like we do with our Spanish song, you would say Frère Jacques, and you would just repeat what I say. We'll go through it twice. Would you like to try? Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong, Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong. Brother Jacques, are you sleeping? Ring in the mornings, ding dang dong. My friend, shoulders up and down in your back pockets. I think we are going to blow out some fire today, kind of like blowing out a birthday candle. We were blowing out birthday candles this weekend. My baby daughter Arabella was 1 this weekend. We've had a lot of birthdays recently. How about you? So we were practicing blowing out a birthday candle. So let's pretend we're gonna blow out a birthday candle. I know we did it with the Queen, but let's do a really big one. So we're gonna breathe in, shoulders up and down our back pockets, hold our cake out in front of us. Maybe it's a cake or a cupcake, or if you don't like cupcakes, cookie, something with a candle in it. Take a deep breath in and blow it out. Deep breath in. Now let's pretend you have lots of candles to blow out. Ready? Take a deep breath in. Blow them all out. Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. Tomorrow it's Cinco de Mayo. I'm so excited. We are going to do art, and if you don't know what that day is, join me and we will talk about it. But we are going to have some fun. I can't wait to see you. Go and find all of your letter sounds, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.